right, everybody. Hurricane coming. So let's prepare. Okay? So let's sit down and let's discuss what we have to do for that hurricane that coming up.
I don't do nothing because every year we prepare and nothing will happen.
Elian, the generator we have, and I hope you're working, but since last year, I have some candle, so I'll use them.
How about the first aid kit?
It should have all the stuff in it from last year.
Alright, so we good. So listen, the weather news is coming on, so pay attention. We need to know what we have to do, alright?
Hello, children. We realize that the hurricane is going to come, so we need to do some preparing, don't you think?
I want to see a hurricane.
Little boy, don't pray for hurricane. You know why? Because if hurricane come in, you wouldn't have mouth to talk, no foot to run.
I like hurricane. We're going to have plenty food in the house and I'll eat until my belly busts. I so vexed, huh? Last year, hurricane come, one banana tree fall on the land and it gone up the road.
Anyway, be quiet now. The news is coming on. Let's listen to what the weatherman have to say about where the hurricane is, okay?
Monday, September 6th, 2 p.m.
Give that radio a little bit of volume, man.
Evans position is 11.1 degrees north latitude and 52.6 degrees longitude. It's a category 3 at the moment, but will strengthen as it approaches. Winds extended from the center at 140 miles per hour. It is moving at 23 miles per hour. If it continues on this present direction, it will mean that the eye will pass at 11 miles off Grenada.
What hurricane have eyes and nose like us?
Come on, Maisha. That's not what it means. It means that the wind spins like a top. Then it stops, get calm. That is the eye of the hurricane. And you know what? The tail coming up, eh?
What hurricane have a tail too? No. Like short, long, bushy like a mongoose?
Watch, Jan. No, girl. It simply means... Sorry. It simply means it changes direction. And it goes somewhere else at the last part of the hurricane.
Okay, children.
What news is coming on?
Okay, children, you know something? We all have that plan we had. Remember, we had a plan together, what we're going to do. We need to put that plan into action right now. Now, Lisa, what do you think you can do?
Well, Mommy, I made a list to make sure everything is in the first aid kit. I have tape, cotton wool, painkillers, hand sanitizer, gauze, antibiotic cream, gravel for vomiting, and some spirits.
Okay, Tilly, what's about you?
I am going to put my school books in plastic bags, then I'm going to put it in the barrel.
Very good. Now, see if you could make a little space in the barrel. On the chair on the other side, I have my passport and my land papers and all my medical alert cards and so on, and all my nice photos and things of my mother and my father. You know, you can't replace those things. See if you get a little space in the barrel for it. Oh, by the way, what's about the TV? You know something? I don't think you're going to have space for the TV, so we're going to get a big garbage bag and we're going to cover up the TV, okay? Kelly, what?
I made a list of things we need to buy. Tin food, sardine, tuna, milk, salt, sugar, 1 large tin biscuit, flour, oil, saltfish, margarine, salt meat, bleach, batteries for radio and flashlight, lamp oil, soap, toilet paper, toothpaste, and matches.
That's a real good list, man. We will stock up. What's about you, Tad?
Well, Mommy, I'm going to trim the wick in the lantern, clean the shades, and then fill it with oil.
That sounds really, really good. Jaden, what about you?
I'm going to catch water for drinking.
That's really good. Jaden, what about you?
I will put batteries in a small radio and a flashlight.
Very good. What's about my big son?
Well, I'm going to cut the branches hanging over the house and clean the drain so that the water can flow properly. And also, I have my tools and everything there, my nail and my hammer. I'm going to do all of that. Pong up the roof.
Right, just check and see that all those nails down there really pump down tight. You know what? The news coming on now. Let's listen carefully.
This is your 8 a.m. weather news update. The hurricane is now at 11.4 degrees north latitude and 58.5 degrees longitude. It has slowed down to 18 miles per hour. Wind speed has increased to 160 miles from the center. Rainfall is expected to be between 5 to 7 inches. Persons in low-lying areas should move to shelters or higher grounds now. We will start to feel the effects in the next 6 hours and to make landfall about 2 p.m. Please stay tuned for further updates.
Why don't have a hurricane in Trinidad?
Well, it is because Trinidad is not in the hurricane belt.
So hurricane wind belt, no?
What happened to your children? It simply means it depends with where the hurricane is or what part of the world you're living in. Sometimes we have hurricane, sometimes we have snow. But listen, the wind is actually getting stronger, you know. Come on, everybody. Hurricane coming. Let's go. Run. Hide. Huh?
Elian, now is a good time. The wind picking up, blowing, so let me go and slap on my kite.
By the way, where is the nearest hurricane shelter again?
Well, they say the preschool and the community center, so you better check there fast.
I see a big monster with a big spoon stirring up the sea.
What nonsense you talking about, there, child? I tell you, stay away from the window.
But you come and see.
Oh man, it's a tornado.
What do you have to turn, mommy?
No need for that right now. Listen, a tornado is a funnel wind. It's spinning, spinning, spinning like a vacuum. And it's sucking up everything it can find. Children, let's take cover. Everybody under the bed.